Hello, this video will guide you how to access the virtual environment which will enable us to complete the Smart Cipher demo. You will receive an email containing the Covertix demo document. At that point, we will refer to the Accessing Cloudshare Environment section. The Cloudshare company supplies us the infrastructure for the virtual environment. So we'll just follow this link, which will lead us to the virtual environment management. The link will be available for only 1 week, so you may access it within 1 week from arrival. We'll use the below credential to log in. The credential may change from time to time, so please make sure to use the credential that were sent specifically to you. Let's follow the link. So I will enter the password and press the login. As you can see, once you've entered the Cloudshare environment and logged in, the environment will be available for 48 hours. We'll press the View Environment in order to enter and be able to see the virtual machines. It is important to understand that the virtual environment is a private duplicated environment dedicated to your demo only. Therefore, you may perform any action without any worries. This will not have any effect on the original environment. I will now pause the video until the environment will be completed, and we'll be back once it is up and running. We're back. It takes a few minutes for the environment to start. Just a short overview of the environment. The Smart Cipher is a basic server client system, and the installation is quite simple. We will need a Windows server, either 2003 or 2008, for the Smart Cipher server installation. It can be a standalone server, and it doesn't have to be part of the domain as long as we configure it properly. We will need SQL server, which will host the Smart Cipher database. It can be a dedicated server, which can be installed on the same server as the Smart Cipher, or we can use an existing SQL server and just create our Smart Cipher database on it. And the Smart Cipher client is installed on the end user's PC. In our case, it is this XP VM with Office 2007. The Smart Cipher system has a web management interface, as we'll see in a minute. So for the demo itself, we will need to connect only to the end user PC, and from there we will perform the demo and connect to the server management. One last thing before connecting to the virtual XP and proceeding with the demo, I would recommend to restart the Smart Cipher server just to be on the safe side. This is relevant only to this specific demo virtual environment in order to avoid connectivity issues. So simply press the reboot machine option next to the 2008 server. And I will now pause the video and we'll be back once the restart is completed. We're back. It takes less than 2 minutes. The next step is actually connecting to the XP virtual machine by pressing the View Machine button. At that stage, you might need to install some add-ons in order to be able to connect to the virtual machine. So it is a straightforward installation. It depends on your internet browser. So let's just approve. And install the missing plugins. I will need to refresh. And we are now able to connect to the virtual machine. Once connected, you can use the full screen mode. You might need to adjust the resolution in order to get a real full screen mode using this drop down list. As part of the demo, we will log in with a user called Ron. The password is included in the Covertex demo document. We are now logged into the XP virtual machine. A good indication that both Smart Cipher server and client are up is the orange icon, the orange Covertex icon in the notification area. If the icon is gray, there might be a connectivity problem between the client and the server. The next step will be connecting to the Smart Cipher web management interface. So we'll just open an internet browser. The management interface is defined as the home page by default, so we'll now, as you can see, we get the login screen. The default user is admin, and the password, which is also included in the Covertex demo document, is admin with capital A. By default, we will get the dashboard screen, and this will be the end of this instructional video. The Smart Cipher web interface will serve us in the next steps of the demo while observing the functionality of the system. Thank you.